How to delete all videos on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to Click Command. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete all videos from your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, head over to the bottom right corner on your profile and you should be on your profile like this. So as you can see, I have two posts currently in my profile. Now, if I want to delete this, I cannot actually delete it in a bulk. What I'll have to do is just go through each and every one and scroll and then delete. From here, as you can see on the bottom right, the delete option. So that's basically how you delete a post on TikTok. But there is an option that you can use to actually remove every post from your profile. To do that, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, head over to settings and privacy and scroll down here until you find activity center. Head over to activity center, and after you're here, you will see an option to manage your posts. So as you can see, manage post visibility. Head over there, and here you will see two of my posts are posted for followers. Now I'll just make this private. To do that, tap on these two check boxes, then tap on next, and there you will see update selected post. Change it to only you. After you tap on update, your post will basically be deleted for everyone else, since no one other than you will be able to see the post. And as you can see, the post is now gone. And that's how you delete or simply remove all videos from TikTok. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Click Command and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.